Good morning students. Welcome to Graphics and Multimedia Lab class. On today class we will discuss about new lab work which is related to motion twin animation topic. As you know, the previous class lab works are the examples of frame by frame animation. So let's start with motion twin animation. Procedure to draw the fan blades and give proper animation. Open the Flash software and create the new document. Then draw a circle, select it by free transform tool. Then for cut the circle you have to press Ctrl X, and for pasting press Ctrl V, because the paste object should be pasted in the center of the frame. Draw the 4 blades of the fan by using any tool, for example rectangle, and use distort option to shape the fan blade. Then select the circle and all 4 blades. Then convert to symbol. Click in movie clip. Then drag the point to the center of the registration point. Make sure the dot is in the center of the circle. Click frame number 20 and press F5 key for inserting frame. Move to the property inspector panel. Click in twin option. Select motion. Then click in rotate option and select CCW option. After this, press F6 for inserting keyframe. Finally, go to control menu, click on test movie, or you can press Ctrl plus enter to test your movie. So here my Flash is open. So first step is you have to draw the circle and design it. So I am drawing the circle. Here the color is selected. Change the color. Now select the circle by free transform tool. Right click, cut, right click, paste. It is placed at the center of the total stage. Okay. Now after pasting, it asks you to draw 4 blades. Now click in selection tool. Change the color of blade. I am drawing the blade by using rectangle tool. Select it by free transform tool. Then click in distort. This one is the distort option. Click here. Drag it to off. Okay. So this is the final fan blade. So make a duplicate copy of this fan blade. Again go for free transform tool, right click copy, right click paste. Now rotate it. Again press Ctrl V for paste. Move this one. Again rotate it. Then Ctrl V, move it and rotate it. can change the blade design also. I am drawing only simple format. Over. Now next is you have to select all these 4 blades along with the circle and convert to symbol. So select free transform tool, select the total object, right click, convert to symbol. Symbol 1 is there, you may change it. Movie clip is there, and check this registration font. As this one is in the center, you may drag it. If the position is in different place, maybe on this place, you can drag and paste it here. Okay, because it should be moved at the center of your stage. Okay. Now, after this, you have to go for frame number 20. Click on frame number 20, then press F5 key. Over. Now move to property inspector panel, twin, change to motion, rotate, change to CCW. Okay. Now again click here, then right click, then insert keyframe, or you may press F6. Over. Now you just check the output. Click here, press enter. See, or press Ctrl enter. It is going on moving. Okay. So the next lab work is procedure to display background given. The file name is tulip.gif through your name, and your procedure is open the Flash software and create a new document. Then click in file option, click in import to stage, open picture folder and select the tulip.jpg file. Click in open. Here tulip.jpg file is set on background of layer 1. Now create a new layer for text entry. Click in insert, click in timeline and click in layer. As you know, it is the layer number 2. Or right click on layer 1 option, then click in insert layer. Select text tool, click in stage and drag the mouse to specify the area for your text entry. Open the property inspector panel for changing the text font, size, color, etc. Now type the text as SKDAV. So here Flash is open, and your first step is you have to select the tulip file by clicking in import option. Click on file, click on import to stage and select the tulip file. Click on open. This one is present on your background of your stage. Okay. Now it asks you to insert the new layer. Click on insert layer, select layer 2. Here you have to write the text. So this one is your text tool. Click here, drag it. Okay. Now move to the property inspector panel. Here the color is there, bold, italic, font name. These are the different styles are there. You can select any style. I am selecting Tahoma. My color is blue. Okay. Click here, and here I am writing SKDAV. Okay, you can resize it also. By resizing, drag the free transform tool and resize your text. Okay.